Yes, it takes a long time to load. This first part is super easy. You just read along and then you drag and drop in order to fill in the blank. Super easy. Don't forget to press done. It'll tell you did it right. Press done again. On the laptop, you're going to be making a DNA molecule by matching A with T, and the C's go with G's. A's and T's go together, C's and G's go together. As you're matching these puzzle pieces together, if you make a mistake at the very end, it will show you what the mistake is and give you a chance to fix it. Then you're going to match letters again, but this time you're going to make a mistake on purpose. These are mutations. There's a substitution that's one letter will be off. The rest of them will be a perfect match. One is a deletion, which is a complete match, but there's one letter left out. Another mutation is a inversion. That means it's backwards. Instead of CTG, it's going to be GTC, but the rest will be a match. And then an insertion adds a little something extra that wasn't there before, an extra little one to the end. Please read what's in the instructional boxes at the beginning of each game, or else you will not figure out how to do the game. In this case, we're making butterflies of that particular task by combining these two parents. So you continue to combine the parents until you end up with the butterflies listed by where it says task. Just keep breeding the butterflies until you get those task offspring correct. You might have to drag the offspring around so that you can see what you've got. When you get to arcade mode, make sure that you click or double click to make him jump. Double clicking makes him jump. Once you have answered 5 questions correctly, then you are done with this portion of the game. If you get an answer wrong, it will tell you what the correct answer is so that you can get 5 correct answers to the questions in order to beat this segment of the game. Remember, double tap to jump twice or triple tap to jump 3 times in a row. For the cat breeding game, you're going to need to, again, read the instructions in the boxes at the beginning. You'll find you're trying to make cats with certain letters by breeding the cats in the box. You drag the cats to the box to breed them to get the correct letters. It will tell you what the letters stand for, what traits those letters are, and you need to click the paw for hints. It will be so much easier if you click on that paw. That paw will help you figure out what cats make what cats. Once you've got the right cat, drag it into the carrier. You can throw cats off to the side that you don't need, or press that brush pan to delete all the cats and start over. You're trying to match those letters. Remember to read what it says in the boxes. That will help tremendously. It will tell you what you're looking for, which letters you're looking for. You can go by the appearance of the cat that's by the carrier. That's the cat that you want to make. But it's better if you also look at the letters to make sure that they are a match. When you're putting the cats in the box, make sure it's a boy cat and a girl cat. There's a pink symbol for girls and there's a blue symbol for boys. They'll only breed if you put a blue cat and a pink cat together. If you put blue cats together or pink cats together, they'll just fight. Again, you're looking at the letters to make sure that you find the ones that match the one by the cat carrier. When you find an offspring that matches the one by the cat carrier, you drag it into the cat carrier. You can throw cats off the screen that you don't want. You can press the bottom right hand brush and dustpan to brush away all the cats to start over. You just keep breeding the cats until you find one that has the correct letter. In this case, lowercase b, capital A, and a lowercase s. Like that one right there. The apparent parent is an easy game. Just read all of the instructions at the beginning. You're going to use your arrow keys or tap around in order to move your kitty cat around each of the levels. You are collecting items, trying to avoid enemies and bombs, using again the arrow keys and tapping around. You'll answer the questions, it'll turn green, it'll give you facts that will be handy when answering other questions. When you get the correct answers, they'll be green. When you get the wrong answer, it will tell you what the right answer is so that you know what to pick the next time. Your grade on this Legends of Learning playlist is based on how far you get in these games. In order to make a 100, you have to get all the way to the end of the last game.